Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Millennial channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to stabilize your videos on Capcut. So as an example, here's the video without stabilization. As you can see, the video is pretty shaky and the figure that is focused on is not very clear because the person holding the phone is probably moving a lot. And now you have the clip that is more stabilized and now the video is following the figure perfectly. So if you would like to know how to do this, just keep on watching. So firstly, on CapCut, just add your video and then press on the clip and scroll on the menu bar until you find stabilize. Just press on stabilize and now you have 4 options in which you can pick from: none, minimal cropping, and recommended stabilization, and lastly, most stable. So I'm going to be picking most stable just to get the maximum stabilization that I can get. And to make it more cleaner, you can also zoom in into the clip and adjust it so that the video just looks a little bit more clean. And here is your final product. As you can see, the figure is being followed by the camera and it's not as shaky as it was before. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye!